How to view staff transaction details in AAAPOS RetailManager. AAAPOS RetailManager maintains a detailed record of transactions made by each staff member, including sales, lay-bys, goods received, returned goods, payments, customer special orders, sales orders and quotes. To view staff transaction details, go to the information menu and choose Staff, or press Ctrl+F. The staff window appears. Enter the staff member's number in the staff field, or type their name, and press Enter. The staff member's details are filled in. Click the required tab. In addition to the General tab, which is described in how to create a staff record in AAAPOS RetailManager, the staff window displays the sales, lay-bys, goods received, returned goods, payments, orders, customer special order, and sales order or quotes tabs. At any point you can select any transaction in the grid to view the detailed transaction information for that staff member. You also have options to view the cost and sell price with tax inclusive or tax exclusive. Please note, the cost column may not be displayed in these views if you belong to a staff group with restricted access privileges. For more details about setting up access privileges, see Security under the Setup menu for more information.